AffiliBank OS review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about the software called AffiliBank OS. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find the link below my YouTube video. We'll be saying grab AffiliBank OS copy here, click on that link, then come to the sales page right here and let me give you a discount coupon. So it says use coupon bank3 for $3 discount at checkout. Okay, I'll give you more so that I can lose more money. So you see, if you use this bank 5 coupon code, that will give you $5 off, and if you use bank 35, that will give you 35% off on the full funnel. So you could try to use these two coupon codes as well and see which one gives you maximum discount. And now here it says world's first autonomous affiliate site agent. So it's all about creating affiliate reviews and the sites turn any product link or sample prompt into a fully monetized review empire. So sales page is super lengthy, so I will ignore the sales page because you have to go and watch this demo video. So let me show you where you can find the demo video on the sales page. So you have to keep scrolling the sales page and you will find the demo video. That's it. Okay, so you have to go and watch this 7 minutes long demo video. Let me show you right here. I'll show you some glimpses. So you will be able to create some affiliate websites using the software and make some affiliate commissions in theory. And if you want to know which bonuses you will get if you buy from me, then make sure you watch the video till the end, because I don't discuss bonuses in the beginning. I'll talk about the bonuses in the end. So keep watching the video till the end. And if you want my software to buy, then you can go and check out this link which says get my Warrior Plus products here. So you click on that link, and then these are the software which I have created, I have launched. So you can check out these ones as well. I have explained them what they are in the end. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Now coming back to the demo video right here. So I'll not show you everything in this demo video. All you have to do is just go and watch that demo video for 7 minutes. Okay, and you can see some glimpses. So you will be creating some products and some websites, and this is your review here. So you can maybe do affiliate marketing for Amazon or some other websites which sells some affiliate products. So you could see, so go and watch this demo video in your free time for 7 minutes so that you can make up your mind. Now whether you want this AffiliBank OS or not, even if you want my bonuses only, then you have to go and buy this using my link below. So if you want this, well and good, go and buy using my link below after watching this demo video on the sales page. Even if you don't want this, but if you still want my bonuses, then you have to go and grab this using my link below. And if you don't know what the bonuses are, then make sure you keep watching. Now we have this funnel here. So this is your front end. This is what you will be getting in front end. And then this is OTO1 unlimited version. So if you want everything unlimited, go for OTO1. OTO2 is this, which is done for you. OTO3 is automation. OTO4 is commission maximizer. OTO5 is traffic. 6 is profits, then reseller, then agency, then 9 OTOs white label license. Okay, so go pick and choose, and you can see here my bonus URL is linked with the sales page. So when you go and buy using the link below directly, you will get the bonuses delivered automatically. Now if you don't know what the bonuses are, then watch the video till the end where I will talk about the bonuses and how you can make real money online. Subscribe, like, and share, and keep watching. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab key tracking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.